Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZALMAN Z85 circular side flow CPU cooler for high TDP. So friends, ZALMAN has released the new CPU cooler called the Z85, which taken design cues from Jet engine, and the cooler feature a circular shape with dual 120 mm fans placed on the front and the back, and making it a side flow cooler aimed at delivering effective heat distribution while maintaining a visually distinctive style. And this model was first shown as COMPUTEX TAIPEI 2025. So friend, this cooler overall size measures 130 mm in width, 117 mm in depth, and 158 mm in height, and weight just under 1 kilogram, means 970 grams. So friend, its build includes a sustainable heatsink made from 53 layers of aluminum fins, which provide ample surface area for heat exchange, and 5 heat pipes connected to the fins, and large copper base that make contact with the CPU. And this heat pipe use ZALMAN's proprietary reverse direct touch heat pipe technology (RDTH), been designed to reduce thermal resistant cooling by sintering, and this allows heat to travel more efficiently from the processor to the cooling fins and improving overall thermal performance. And the cooler can handle CPU with TDP rating up to 200 watt, and making it suitable for wide range of high performance desktop processors. So friend, you will find two 120 mm fans equipped with hydrodynamic bearing, which generally provide longer life and quieter operation compared to sleeve or ball bearing. And this fan run at speed between 600 to 2000 revolution per minute, and offering a maximum airflow of approximately 44.48 cubic feet per minute, and static ratio of 1.4 mm/2O, and the noise level of maximum fan speed is rated around 30.4 decibel, and which is relatively quiet for T-old fan cooler of the size. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.